tell you everything's A-okay.
Karen is that person that remembers everything about everyone she talks to. So you'll meet her once and talk to her, and then 2 months later you'll see her again and she'll remember exactly what you talked about, bring it up, ask you how you're doing, and it's really amazing to see. She remembers everything.
Karen, along with her family, dedicate their personal time to putting together blessing bags for the homeless, including cooking and serving food at the local community and family shelters, as well as many street cleanups in the city of Riverside. She's definitely a devoted soul who consistently shares her blessings and gifts to those around her. So on behalf of the Field Projects Division and the Riverside County Probation Department, I want to personally congratulate and thank Karen for her service and dedication to the many lives that she touches and changes every day. Job well done.